Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Google Photos to your computer. And let's get started by open the browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome and you need to write Google Photos here. You need to sign in into your account, and now we have it. So if you want to download, let's say, few photos, you can just click at the check mark to your first photo, then press Shift and click at the second photo. And right here we have it, so we can download it. Click at the three dots at the right top and click download. Now we need to wait a bit. So right here we have it. And you can just save in some folder here and use it. Also, if you want to save more than few photos, I recommend it to use Google Takeout service. You need to sign in here also, then click deselect all. Now scroll down and right here we need to find Google Photos. Click at the check mark here, then you can select what photo you wanna share. So let's deselect all. Let's say I wanna share a photo from 2023. Okay, then scroll down. Next step, download using link, and then click create export. So it will send photos on your Gmail. And now we need to open it. And we need to wait a bit, and it will, and you will have the list. So let me speed up it for you. And right here we have the list. Open it, then click download. And now we have it right here. And we can install the second one. But right here we have nothing interesting, so the first one we can use it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!